Budgeting for Beginners, your roadmap to financial freedom. Hello, future financial wizards and budgeting enthusiasts. Welcome to our journey to demystify budgeting, a powerful tool that can transform your financial life. First step, understanding why budgeting matters. It's the key to achieving your financial goals. Next, calculate your income. Know what's coming in from salary to side gigs. Then list your expenses.
Know what's going out from housing to entertainment.
Now differentiate between needs and wants. Prioritize your spending wisely. Next, create a budget framework. Design your financial plan using methods like the 50-30-20 rule or zero-based budgeting. Allocate your income. Assign dollars to categories, including savings and emergencies. Track your spending. Stay accountable and ensure it aligns with your budget. Review and adjust your budget. Adapt as needed to life changes and progress. Build an emergency fund. Be prepared for the unexpected. Finally, stay committed. Keep your financial goals in sight and stay disciplined in your budgeting journey. Now that we've explored these 10 steps, you have the tools to create a budget that can transform your financial future. Remember, budgeting is not a one-time task. It's a lifelong skill that can lead you to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial freedom. Supercharge your financial journey by subscribing for more personal finance wisdom. Stay ahead in your quest for financial stability.